The 2024 TX SUV shares its platform with the Toyota Excellent Highlander and replaces the previous generation RXL 3-row SUV in the Lexus lineup. The RXL has never been particularly roomy in the very rear seat, but the TX should offer plenty of room for adults to sit in the back. We expect plenty of luxury features to justify the Lexus badge. The Toyota version is already pretty on the inside, but the brand has yet to release a comprehensive equipment list. 3 different drivetrains will be offered, including 2 hybrids, one of which is a plug-in. The entry-level models are powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder, and the module hybrid is said to produce 406 horsepower and offer 33 miles of range for electric-only driving. When the TX goes on sale in the fall of 2023, it will be a completely new model and a completely new nameplate for the Lexus brand. The TX is offered in 3 different models, including a 406 horsepower module hybrid called the TX 550h Plus. Mid-range premium and high-end luxury trims are available for most models, but until we know more about which features are standard on which trims, we'll delay making a recommendation as to which ones are the best value.